Welcome to CommBox Academy. Our new learning management system is designed to help you master our platform through interactive training tailored specifically to your role. The system aims to train our employees, partners, and customers to become CommBox certified. You can see here the main homepage where all your learning plans are displayed. Under the learning plans, you can see data about your learning progress here and your personal profile with an activity report that shows all your courses and your progress. Let's walk through the learning process. We'll open the System Administrator Learning Plan. And you can see here on the left side the comprehensive list of all the learning units you're expected to complete. The right side displays essential information about your plan, including the average completion time, which for a system administrator is 3.5 hours, along with the current progress and remaining time for completion. To open a learning unit, simply click Play. Please note that the time estimation for each unit includes hands-on practice in the real-time CommBox platform, which we highly recommend you do. Our courses incorporate different training methods. Some include detailed manual guides, like this example in the Manager Learning Plan, Organization Model and User Hierarchy, where you can see manual on the topic. Other learning units offer helpful links to resources from our customer portal. All these elements are carefully designed to ensure your learning experience is engaging and productive. Now, let's look at the quiz. It's the last unit in each plan, and its goals are to deepen your understanding of the system's capabilities and evaluate your proficiency level to identify further development areas. Note that you need to achieve a score of 80 or higher. You will receive a personalized certificate upon successful completion of the quiz, and be ready to progress to more advanced learning plans customized for you. We hope your learning experience with CommBox Academy will be enjoyable and effective. Please contact me whenever you need assistance, clarification, or have any inquiries. Thank you.